Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And this is another quick one, guys. I'll show you to use the Finder on your PC. Now, if you are coming from another operating system, in order to explore your device, you'll use Finder. Finder is similar to the Explorer in Windows. So, of course, Explorer would mean your Finder, or basically your files browser that takes you to the main parts of your PC. It's this icon here that says Finder. It's almost like a smiley face kind of. You're going to tap on Finder and it's going to open the main Finder window. You can always close, minimize, or expand. Expand is going to take up the entirety of the screen, but of course it looks way better if you simply keep it minimized. All right, so you can always expand it a bit in case you made it too small, as in my case. Normally windows are like these, and of course you can adjust accordingly. Now check this out, guys. Main files usually are in downloads or documents or on your desktop, as you can see in the background here. So what you want to do from here, let's say downloads is anything you have downloaded, documents is just your documents. From here you can go to recents as well to see your recent file or your share files. So you can actually explore all of them. You can go to your trash, check out airdrop files, you can check out your hard drive, you can take out your main drive, and of course your cloud drive, depending on your cloud storage. All right, so you can actually explore main areas here. Let me show you another way. So, or should I say, let me show you what can be done. So desktop, if there's any files, documents, downloads, it's all there. So these are the main areas. For example, usually I store all my documents in documents. It's backed up to the cloud. If not, I store it in downloads. It's not backed up. All right, so whatever I download tend to come here. And that's it for your main areas of your Mac. This is the Macbook Neo. See you in the next one. Bye.